Need dinner on the table fast? This soy sauce glazed chicken with rice is quick, simple, and packed with flavor. Better than takeout and ready in no time. Start with the sauce. In a bowl, mix soy sauce, dark soy sauce, a spoonful of oyster sauce, brown sugar, sesame oil, and a splash of rice wine. Whisk until smooth, then set aside. That's your glossy soy sauce glaze. For the chicken, thighs are best for juiciness, but breasts work too. Season both sides with salt, pepper, and a light dusting of potato starch. Pat it down so it sticks. This helps create a golden crust. Heat oil in a pan until hot, about 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Sear the chicken for 4 minutes on one side, then flip and cook another 4 minutes, until golden. This step locks in flavor and keeps the chicken tender. Once browned, pour in the sauce you made earlier. Add a couple of garlic cloves, cover, and cook for 2 minutes. Flip, cover again, and cook 2 more minutes. The sauce should now be thick, glossy, and coating the chicken beautifully. Turn off the heat, transfer to a cutting board, and let the chicken rest for a few minutes. Slice into strips. You'll see just how juicy it is inside. Serve over warm rice, sprinkle with sesame seeds, and finish with a handful of curly green onions. Quick, simple, and so satisfying. This soy sauce glazed chicken is the perfect weeknight dinner. Give it a try, and it'll become a repeat favorite in your kitchen.